Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing the error cannot connect to the App Store or something went wrong on your Mac, don't worry, it's a common issue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's dive right into it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Sometimes it's just a network issue. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or internet. Try opening Safari and loading any website to confirm the internet is working. Solution 2. Reset App Store cache. You can try deleting app cache files. Open Finder app. Press Command Shift and J. Type this custom. Now open App Store again and confirm that your problem is resolved or not. Solution 3. Set correct date and time. Incorrect date and time can block connections. Go to System Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Turn on Set and Date automatically. Now manually choose the correct time zone and date. Solution 4. Restart your Mac. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches. Click on the Apple menu. Select Restart in the drop-down menu. Now again click on Restart to confirm your action. Once your Mac turned back on, try opening the App Store again and check that your problem is resolved or not. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.